Jennifer, I thank God that He allowed our families to meet, and over these years just become great friends. Cory, Jennifer, I want you to know that God loves you, that He created you to love each other. And when we find love, we truly found wealth.
In this bag is a clock. The time on this clock is stopped at the time you shared your first kiss as husband and wife. As you begin your life together today with your families, I want you to put this clock somewhere where you can see it easily. When life throws challenges and times get hard or overwhelming, I want you to stop in time and look at this clock. Be reminded of the moment that you married the person who brought your smile back and reminded you both that your heart can love again.
In putting this together, I decided to do some research to see what different sources said about friends that would apply to our friendship. So Webster's Dictionary defines a friend as one attached to another by affection or esteem. Psychologist Jordan Peterson says, you should surround yourself with people who want the best for the best parts of you. Proverbs 27:17 says, iron sharpens iron, and one man sharpens another. Well, about 32 years ago, I met that person. And Cory's been my best friend ever since.
Real love is something beyond the warmth and glow, the excitement and romance of being deeply in love. Real love is caring as much about the welfare and happiness of your husband or wife as you do about your own. Real love is not total absorption in each other. It's looking outward in the same direction together. Remember, love makes burdens lighter because you divide them. It makes joys more intense because you can share them together. It makes you stronger so you can reach out and become involved with life in ways that you dared not risk alone. A marriage and home are built upon the foundation of the sublimest dedication known to the human heart, that of unselfish love and heavenly affection. Together, you can become what you could never be separately.
I wonder if in heaven, if I'll still have you by my side. 'Cause I don't ever know if I'll ever let you go. I'll never let you go. 'Cause you pick me up from out of the dirt, and you give me feelings I don't deserve. You gave me your love when I didn't earn it. You held me close, you held me even when it hurt.
I know that your mom and dad will be gleaming in pride today. The beautiful young lady, mother that you are. I want you to know how much we love you. And you're really more like a daughter to me. But you know, we'll always be here for you, for your girls, and for your family. My prayer is that your days ahead are filled with peace, love, and joy. We love you very, very, very much.
Most of us here today know that Jennifer has faced her share of heartbreak and tragedy. Life hasn't always been kind and easy, but in the last year, I've seen a smile on Jennifer's face that I didn't get to see for quite some time. Cory, you have brought her smile back, and for that, I'm forever grateful to you. Thank you for reintroducing her to happiness and love. Thank you for helping her see herself in the light that we've all always seen her in. You've reminded her that she's beautiful inside and out. everyone. If you don't know me, I am Wendy. I have the privilege of being Jennifer's matron of honor this evening. Maybe. I have the privilege of keeping her straight. So this speech is 26 years in the making. So I've been having dreams about this, and one of the dreams was that I was going to rap it, but no. All right. So, here we go. Picture it. Andrews, South Carolina, 1998. Jennifer called me and asked me to ride with her to Georgetown to get a calculator for her math class. Shockingly, she actually attended this class and got credits because it wasn't first block. A little bit later into our growing friendship was the moment I knew Jennifer was my soulmate of friends. In C building of the old Andrews High School, the floors would become very slick when it rained. One rainy day during the switching of classes, Jennifer did a belly flop onto the floor of C building in her Timberland boots at that. And at that horizontal moment of embarrassment for Jennifer, I knew that our friendship was meant to be.
So mine ain't gonna be nearly that funny, just so y'all know. I ain't no comedian. The print's real big so I can see it. Cory, a lot of things have changed over all these years. My hair color, obviously not yours. The amount of joints that hurt for no apparent reason, our weight. But one thing that has not changed is who you are. And I appreciate you. But you need 3 friends in life. A truth teller, a confidant, and a ride or die. If you can find one person that fits all 3 of those things, then you have a friend for life. Jennifer, I say all this to try to explain what you have in this man. He loves life. He loves his family. And I can see how much he loves you.
Our high school years were filled with many memories to include proms, babysitting my siblings, and we're sorry, trips with Gary and Glennie, most memorable being our 7-day cruise, where we missed the lifeboat drills and Jennifer was convinced that we were on the Titanic. Now, most friendships experience a change after high school graduation, but not for us. We both decided to go to college in Charleston, and our friendship didn't skip a beat. Jennifer was by my side when I met the love of my life in college and stood by my side as I got married. However, my very, very favorite part of our friendship is watching our girls becoming close friends. They fight like siblings but love like sisters, and I'm forever grateful that my best friend gave my girls best friends.
I wish y'all all the best. I pray that God blesses y'all beyond what you can imagine. Thank you for including me on your special day. I love you both.
I met the strongest person I know, and I'm the lucky one who gained a lifelong best friend. Thank you, Jennifer, for making me a better person. And thank you for giving me the honor and privilege of standing by your side today on this very special day. But to close, I'm not going to rap, but I'm going to sing our favorite song. Thank you for being a friend.